Good morning and welcome. Today, as you see, I am trying this modelling paste. It's basically like a textured paste that I was going to put on my canvas and see what the effects of putting a textured paste for an abstract art would come out like. So you can obviously do this on probably an art board would be better than a canvas, because maybe I don't know though, it turned out pretty fine. I was just doing a basic test to see how the texture would go with doing some balloon on it, putting a bit of paint on it. But definitely the room there for improvements of doing different things and more texture and in different places, and actually doing a pour over the whole thing. There's so many variations and so many things you could do, as you all know, but this was just a test with this modelling paste or textured paste, and I thought I would run the camera at the same time and see what happens. This actually, while I was pressing the balloon in, was leaving an awesome effect in the modelling paste. So you can't see it real well from this, here on screen, but it was actually in real life. Looked really lovely effects. So hence why I'm happy, look. And I want to then put the modelling paste on the whole of the canvas. So here I go. Now I am just pouring some premix paint that I have left over. It was just a normal pouring medium and grey. Remember, this is just for a very plain abstract art, seeing what it turns out like. So it was a lot of fun, and there's so many variations that you could think of. If you think of anything, let me know. Be something good to try with this modelling paste. But just even with that one metallic silver on a big piece of art, because it really did show the texture in it, would be really quite nice. And now for a bit of the crushed glass, and just trying the crushed mirror glass it is, and I also put a bit of the silver leaf over it just to add some sparkle, which doesn't show up well on camera but was very sparkly. And then you best to actually cover that and press down into the moulding paste so everything sticks. This is very plain and simple, but the textured effect was basically, seeing what I could do with it. So even though I'm not particularly, completely happy with this piece, it's given me other ideas for other projects that I can do, and I'm pretty excited. I mean, this on a big canvas with the texture effects, even in just the snow colours, the sort of whites with silver in, a lot of people are having on their walls nowadays, so I think it would be absolutely stunning. So I really hope that you enjoyed this, even if it's just giving you an idea for your abstract art, just go with it. So until tomorrow, bye for now. Sparkles, sparkles, sparkles.